Hey everybody, it's Dark Matter here. How y'all doing? Happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. Yeah, I made this today, and I just wanted to see what you guys thought, if you liked it or not. And maybe if you see I did something wrong, maybe you can tell me what it is I did. I'm not a pipe smoker, never have been, never will be probably. And yeah, but I enjoy making them. I think it's fun. And this one here is that's a smoker, boy. Let me tell you, there's lots of room for tobacco in that one. Let me tell you. I think it's very pretty. It's made out of the white oak I got from Skip Tracer, and there's no finish on it whatsoever. It's just sanded. Sanded it up to 1500 grit. Yeah, I think it's very pretty. Look, it stands on its own. See, it stands up on its own. It's a little heavy for a pipe, maybe. I don't know. I don't know what a pipe, how heavy a pipe's supposed to be, but yeah, that's what I did today. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Yeah, just let me know what you think. If you think if I did a good job or not, and if you think I should keep on doing pipes. Maybe I'll make a video on making one if you guys think it's worth seeing. All right, I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out.